All right, here is our what you call chicken fries, and they all golden brown and delicious and looking good, looking good. Look at those fries, y'all. Look at those chicken fries. Oh, they are good. And you know what I'm eating the mines with? I'm eating mine with my favorite Heinz barbecue sauce. These are hot. Ooh, they're hot. But they're so good. Ooh, they're hot. I just took them out. Shame on me, Sandra. Sitting up here eating this hot fry. And that's that strawberry, that cherry pop over right there, y'all. So these are delicious. Mm. Oh, these fries are good. These are chicken fries. I'll show you how I fix them. And they are magnificent. I love chicken fries. This is down in the South, y'all. Showing you how to do some good old chicken fries. I want you to try this recipe. Go to soulfoodqueen.net at my website and get the recipe for these delicious chicken fries. Oh my goodness, and that barbecue sauce. Oh, I'm going to give them another plug right here, y'all. That's the Heinz barbecue sauce. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's sweet and fruity, and it is delicious. Delicious to me. This is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating, and thank you for coming to my channel and get these recipes. And this is fabulous, y'all. Fabulous, fabulous, fabulous fries. These are chicken fries, y'all. Delicious. Sandra will say happy eating. Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and this recipe is what I call chicken fries. Yes, chicken fries is what I'm going to make today, and I'm going to show you how I make mine down in the South, in Mississippi, down in the South where the woods at, making some chicken fries. First you're going to need, of course, you're going to need some potatoes. So you're going to mash potatoes up. Just like this. We're going to make sure the potatoes are mashed real good. Real good. You need the potatoes mashed because we're going to make the potato chicken potatoes. The chicken fries. Excuse me, I can't talk, y'all. We got to mash. So we're going to add some garlic. Now, you don't have to add garlic in yours. You don't want to. But I want mine to have a little old taste. So we got some garlic in there. Some black pepper. Put black pepper in there just like this, y'all. Black pepper it up. I'll put some salt in there, just like this. I'll put some salt, salt in there. Then we're going to use rosemary. Now you can use any herbs or spice you want because these are yours. And I'm going to put some rosemary in mine. I love the way rosemary tastes on chicken. I'm going to put some pepper flakes, and that's peppercino I call. And then I'm going to put a little cayenne pepper, just a little cayenne pepper in there, just to give it a little boost, you know, just a little. And then I'm going to use some thyme. Excuse me, the pepper got in there. I'm going to use a little thyme. Use some parsley flakes and get that all in there like that. And then I'm going to blend this with some little flour. Just a little flour like that. And then put some cornstarch in there. Cornstarch, flour, and then I'm going to blend this together just like this, y'all, just like that. And then I'm going to add some raw chicken. Yes, a raw chicken breast. Now you can get your chicken breast ground up in the supermarket if you want to. Get that ground up, but I just chop mine up real fine. But you want more potatoes than you want chicken, because you want it to brown real good. So it looks like we need to put some more cornstarch in. Flour in here. Just look at more flour, just like this. And a little bit more cornstarch. This helps hold it, y'all. Put it like that. And then we're going to kind of use our hands to get it all blended in. Just like that. We're going to make us some chicken fries. Now the reason why I put the chicken in here raw, because it's going to cook quick. You use a chicken breast, because the chicken breast what really cooks it real fast. You know, it's going to cook when it cooks that potato. And then we're going to have some oil over here on the pan. So what we're going to do here is add a little flour, like that. And we'll add some salt. Yes, I got my hands on that, but I can always wash my hands and wash my products off. Some black pepper, just like that, and then smear it around like that. And then we're going to take some of this like this, and we're going to roll it. Yeah, roll it like that, y'all. Roll it. See how you're rolling that? Now you're going to roll it as thin as you want. You're going to roll it just like this. Roll it, roll it, roll it. Till you want it to fry like this. You know, you're going to roll it. You're going to take that part off and roll it again. And I think that's about big enough, don't you think, for a fry? I think so. Put it to the side. We're going to roll this again. Making some chicken fries, y'all. Roll this. And we're going to do all this, and we're going to come back and let you see. All you do is roll it into a fry. Now, you want to deep fry, a skinny fry, whatever fry you want. You just roll it into that. And we'll be right back and just let you see what mine look like, okay? All right, we got them all rolled it out. So what we're going to do now is put flour and cornstarch on them. Just like this. To make sure that they will be okay. We're going to roll one just like this. The cornstarch in there. And the flour. You roll it as thin as you want. Just like that. And we'll place it in the oil. You hear that? Woo! That looks good, y'all. I'm going to show you in a minute. Place that on the oil. And don't worry about the chicken that's raw, because it's going to cook in the oil. Okay, we got it in there like that. And look what they're doing. They're frying, y'all. They're frying. Okay, we'll be right back and let you see what it looks like.